Hello, good morning students. Today this is module 1 of topic continuity. Let me discuss continuity. A function is said to be continuous throughout its domain if its graph is continuous, or we can say if there is no break, no jump in the graph of a function, then we say that function is continuous. And if when we draw the graph of a function and there is a break or there is a jump at any point in the graph, then we say that at that point the function is not continuous. Okay, let me discuss this with one example. We will take one example, one function fx equal to -1 when x less than 0, 0 when x equal to 0, and 1 when x greater than 0. If we draw the graph of this function, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This point be 0, 1 and this point be 0, -1. Okay, now see, when we take this x less than 0, the value of x is less than 0 means value of x is negative. It means value of x is here in this side. Then y or fx is equal to -1. This is constant. So the graph of this function will be like this. Here we will make open circle because this is less than 0. The graph is this for this portion of the domain. Now x greater than 0, for the value of x greater than 0, function is 1, fx is 1. This is also constant, and the graph of this part of the domain, for this part, this is the graph. It means when I draw the graph for these values of x, I didn't pick up the pen, or I can say that in this region the graph is continuous. There is no break on the graph, and same here, there is no break on the graph in this portion of the domain. It means I can say that for x less than 0, the function is continuous, and for x greater than 0, the function is continuous. But when I reach at x equal to 0, this is x equal to 0, there is a jump, or we can say there is a break in the graph at point x equal to 0. And hence at this point the function is not continuous, and we will say that at x equal to 0 the function is not continuous. Now see how we will check it, and what are the steps for checking the continuity of a function for a given point. A function f is continuous at x equal to a if limit x tends to a fx equal to fa. In other words, we can say that if limit exists of a function at x equal to a, and that is equal to the value of function at x equal to a, then we will say that the function is continuous at x equal to 0. Or in other words, we can say limit x tends to a fx, this is left limit, equal to limit x tends to a, fx equal to fa. What does it means? It means if left limit of a function is equal to right limit of a function equal to value of a function, then we say that limit exists of a function. Okay, and when this limit is equal to value of a function, then we will say that the function is continuous at the given point or at x equal to a. And if limit x tends to a fx not equal to limit x tends to a fx, what does it means? It means limit does not exist, and we will say that the function is not continuous at x equal to a. Okay, and to check the given example by this method, see, for this example we will see whether limit exists or not. Limit at x equal to 0 only, limit x tends to 0 fx. This is left limit of this function, and left limit means when x less than 0 and x less than 0 is this, the value of function is minus 1, so this will become minus 1. Limit x tends to 0 fx, x tends to 0, positive means right limit. Right limit means when the value of x is greater than 0, and value of x is greater than 0 is here, that is plus 1, this is plus 1. It means in this question the limit of a function does not exist because limit x tends to 0 fx not equal to limit x tends to 0 fx, and hence we will say that at x equal to 0 f is not continuous. F is not continuous. So we will do the questions by using this method. Now some rules you can note or you can learn them. First, polynomial function. Polynomial function. The polynomial function is continuous always. The polynomial function is continuous always everywhere. Second is modulus function. Modulus function like this, y equal to modulus x, is continuous everywhere. Modulus function is continuous everywhere. Third is constant function is continuous everywhere. Fourth is e की power x. If we have a function e की power x, this function is continuous everywhere. Okay. So the fifth is fx is log x. For x greater than 0 is continuous everywhere. Okay, thank you.